have city living. We gotta tag team it. And we're going to be rearranging my apartment. Here it is, you guys. We went and picked it up today. Hello! I finally got my old, like tiny little Sony Nex 3N camera to work. It was a battery issue, so I'm so happy. Anyway, it is Sunday, September 6th, and yesterday we didn't vlog because I had a really nice date with my youngest brother. We were hanging out at the pool and stuff, and, you know, just same old at the pool. But anyway, so we're about to head out to get myself some coffee. My coffee that I make at home has been tasting a little weird. All right, let's go. Get those Adidas on.
My old shoes.
Look at the shooting. Look at the trash.
Pulled him over, I think.
Oh, serious?
Yeah, he's trying to run away from the cop.
Serious?
Yeah, he just went over the curb, and the cop followed him in there. He just popped the curb and left.
Alright, here, you have to get out.
Please fasten passenger seatbelt.
Oh, I can park up there. You see?
Yeah.
Okay, get out. Right. When you have city living, you gotta tag team it and pick up coffee. So boyfriend got me coffee. He's about to jump back in the car. Perfect. Oh, really?
Yeah, tons of people.
Oh. Alright, guys. Oh, they just went through the red light.
Oh, yeah,
Huh? Oh my gosh, everybody's like going through the red light. There was a ATV on the road doing wheelies. Like, what the heck? Oh. I was like, why'd they go through? Hello YouTube! It's your girl Shweihninzy, and it is super late at night right now. Well, my friend's looking at me. Right now we are going to be rearranging my apartment. I always get so inspired to clean and rearrange at nighttime. Where are my night owls at? Hey, look at me, making me embarrassed. Making me embarrassed. Anyway, I've never done an apartment tour since I've moved into my apartment, and I'm going to show you guys just a quick tour. I've rearranged the furniture in my apartment how many times? Like 5 times or more. My furniture has not stayed in the same place this entire time I've lived here, and I've almost lived here for a year. I will be a year in, what, 2 months? So I'm going to give you a little quick tour right now. The apartment is not clean, it's a little messy, bear with me, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now and then what it's going to look like later, obviously. So let's show you around. That didn't make any sense, but here we go. Okay, so you walk in and this is the front door, and we got our little, oh, that was a cat toy. This has stayed exactly the same. This is my couch. It's actually red. I got this cover just because of the cats, and that way I'm able to wash it. We've got a little ottoman. This is a dresser that I got from like a antique mall. TV, couch. This stuff has stayed the exact same, and then my like art on the wall and everything, and this thing here. This stuff has stayed the same, but my filming makeup area has changed so many times. Here's Miss Luna. She loves this chair. Hi, Luna. My filming area has changed so many times. I used to have my desk facing this way with that as like the background. I used to have string lights up here, but then Leo got to them and destroyed them. So right now I have a lot of makeup in here. This is my desk. I've got my laptop, monitor, iPad. I've got some stuff coming in the works. We've got more makeup over here. And then these are all of my eyeshadow palettes that I have on display. I'm pretty sure these are all my eyeshadow palettes, actually, majority of the large ones. Got my filming equipment over here. So this is what's going to change. If you guys live in an apartment or a cheaper apartment and you have a window AC unit, you know how it is if you don't have central AC. So we only have one AC unit. There is no AC in the actual bedroom. So this is the bedroom here. This bed has been in the middle of this wall. It has been against this wall as well. I haven't had this dresser here. This is an IKEA dresser that I actually redid. Got my TV. We have a cat tree, sink, bathroom, all that kind of stuff, but the furniture in here has changed a lot. I used to not have this chair in here. We have two closets, so my bed is actually going to go into the living room area just because it gets so hot in this room. We have like a fan and stuff to like blow the AC in, but since the AC is in that room, it's just really hard to, you know, it's hard. Isn't it, Leo? It gets so hot in here, right? We've thought about having this room be more like my filming area, like desk working kind of area, but since this is where the bathroom and the closets are, we never thought to actually do that. We're hot, we're tired of being hot and sweaty, even though it is getting a little bit cooler, but I like changing my furniture layout just to help me kind of, I don't know, do a fresh start. I don't like stuff being in the same place for very long. Let me know if anybody else is like that. I've been this way my whole life. My bedroom, my childhood bedroom, never had furniture in the same place for longer than a couple of months. I was always moving stuff constantly. So that is what everything looks like now. I need to pack up all of my makeup stuff over here, kind of clean that area so we can put the bed against this wall. I'm not sure how it's going to be since the kitchen is right there, but we will see. Let's go. Here it is, you guys. I don't know what we think, but Leo's loving it. He's going crazy. It's the next day, getting everything all set up. I was just making sure things were all set up, and I was super tired. We were both tired. Our backs were hurting. The furniture that we moved was very, very heavy. But today is actually my 2-year anniversary with my boyfriend, and he got me something super exciting. What'd you get me?
I got you a cricket.
A cricket! You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been designing and creating my own stickers, and it's, oh, I just zoomed in a lot. Let's zoom out. Oh, we don't want to see that. I've been really into making stickers and designing stickers. I recently got an iPad 7 with an Apple Pencil, and I've been designing stickers on Procreate, and I think I'm gonna start doing stickers and customizing stuff. I've been doing merch, which actually is linked like below my video. You can see a shirt that I designed, which I'm waiting for the sample on. You can go ahead and buy that now, and there's another sample for something else that I designed that is not yet listed, so I'm super excited about that. But anyway, he got me a cricket, the Explore Air 2, and I'm so excited. Here it is, you guys. We went and picked it up today, and I'm so shocked they had it in person because a lot of places are out of stock of everything. And I also went to Target and got the Canon Pixma 3640 or something like that. Yeah, oh no, yeah, the MG 3620. And I'm just so excited. So this is kind of the situation that everything is looking like right now, and I'll do like a final room tour and everything, but we're gonna get this set up and I'm gonna start test printing some stickers and the things that I've designed. Right now I've been focusing on making stickers of my cute little cats. Here's Leo. I don't know where Luna went or the other ones, but you guys know what they look like, so it's kind of what we've been doing. Hello, today is September 14th, and I've been really seriously working on all of my sticker packs and everything. I've got a lot of stuff cut out, but I'm working on making sticker sheets and stuff. So far, oh, that stupid gnat. Oh my gosh, there's a stupid gnat that's been flying around my apartment for days, and I can never catch it. Anyway, here's my hair the next day. This side is definitely more purple undertoned compared to this side. In person you can totally tell, but I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera. But anyway, I just got back from the chiropractor, ate lunch. I had avocado toast, but I had it on a bagel. And, oh, here's Mr. Arlo. Hello. Oh, yes. Are you handsome? Yeah. Are you a cutie? Are you a cutie? Huh? Arlo? Are you a cutie? What was I talking about? Oh, so we've been trying to calibrate the Cricut. My boyfriend has been trying to calibrate it because it just will not cut precisely how I want it to. It's extremely off, and so we've been trying to recalibrate it and stuff to get it like perfect. Because obviously, I mean, you don't want your stickers to be cut wrong. That's kind of what I'm up to right now. I need to actually finish cleaning my new beauty studio and kind of just finalize it and get everything all cleaned up and stuff and just get everything really organized. I feel like the both of us, my boyfriend and I, are just kind of scatterbrained right now because we're working on the Cricut, but we're also working on cleaning this room, and it's just like our thoughts are kind of, and our motivation for different things is kind of like everywhere, so we're just trying to balance it all out. So the goal right now is to get the room finished, and yeah.